21 Natural Viagra Alternatives. Part 1. Please subscribe. And click the bell icon, so you won't miss out on the rest of this video series. Sildenafil, sold as the brand name Viagra among others, is a medication used to treat erectile dysfunction and pulmonary arterial hypertension. Important Viagra safety information. Do not take Viagra if you 1. Take any medicines called nitrates, often prescribed for chest pain, or guanylate cyclase stimulators like Adempas, riociguat, for pulmonary hypertension. Your blood pressure could drop to an unsafe level. 2. Are allergic to sildenafil, as contained in VIAGRA and REVATIO, or any of the ingredients in Viagra. Discuss your health with your doctor to ensure that you are healthy to take Viagra. If you experience chest pain, dizziness, or nausea during sex, seek immediate medical help. Viagra can cause serious side effects. Rarely reported side effects include 1. An erection that will not go away. If you have an erection that lasts more than 4 hours, get medical help right away. If it is not treated right away, this can permanently damage your penis. 2. Sudden vision loss in one or both eyes. Sudden vision loss in one or both eyes can be a sign of a serious eye problem called non-arteritic anterior ischemic optic neuropathy (NAION). Stop taking Viagra and call your healthcare provider right away if you have any sudden vision loss. 3. Sudden hearing decrease or hearing loss. Some people may also have ringing in their ears, tinnitus, or dizziness. If you have these symptoms, stop taking Viagra and contact a doctor right away. You can find lots more information about Viagra on Viagra.com. Don't take foolish risks with Viagra. You should only take it under medical supervision. And never under any circumstances buy it from some shady-looking guy in the street. Thanks for watching this video. In Part 2, we'll take a closer look at how Viagra works.